In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a flat yarn for beginners. I'm gonna use this bulky weight yarn and 7mm hook and scissor as well as a stitch marker. So to begin in this project, make a slip knot. If you know how to make a slip knot, then skip this step here. But for beginners, place your yarn over your pinky finger. Wrap your 3 middle finger 2 times, 1 and 2. Your index finger and your thumb should hold that yarn. Fold the pinky finger here to control the yarn here below. There you go. I'm ready to make a slip knot. Grab your hook, place your hook under the yarn like this, and then twist it 180 degrees like that. There you go. Place that hook under and pull that yarn. Pull through in that loop. Pull that hook and pull the index. Just like that. And now we're going to make a chain of 2. So like this. Yarn over and pull through. That is our first chain. One more time. And 2. So I have chain 2 total here, 1 and 2. So go to the first chain here. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops. That is our first single crochet. I'm gonna repeat that 5 more times, a total of 6 stitches in total. So insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over and pull. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So that is our second single crochet. So this is a single crochet, by the way. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I have here 6 single crochet in total, or 6 stitches in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go to the first single crochet, insert your hook. This is my first single crochet. Make sure you count your number of stitch. There, yarn over and pull. 2 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So I am starting my round 2 now. So place that marker in the single crochet you just made. So which is this one here. So in the same stitch, I'm gonna insert my hook, place another 1 single crochet again in the same stitch. So insert your hook there, yarn over and pull, and yarn over, pull through 2, like that. Go to the next stitch and make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch again in the same stitch. Insert your hook in the next stitch and make 1 single crochet. That. Insert your hook in the same stitch and make 1 single crochet again, like that. And we're going to repeat that in each of the stitch. Total of 12 stitches in total. Two stitches first in each of the stitch. Total of 12 stitches. And there you go. I am here in my last stitch. Place your last 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Count your number of stitch, making sure you have the right number. You should have 12 stitches in total. So let's count that together. 1, 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we are in the right direction, and now take that marker out. Take that marker, and now we begin round 3. In the next stitch, insert your hook and place 2 single crochet. So insert your hook, place 2 single crochet, 1, but before you continue, grab your marker and place that marker in the single crochet you just made. That is the beginning of our round 3. We're working in spiral here. So insert your hook in the same stitch and make 1 single crochet again. So sometimes I hold the yarn like this. It depends how comfortable you are with the yarn you are working with, or how comfortable you are when you're working with. So this one is a bulky weight yarn, so that's why sometimes I change the way I hold the yarn. But if you are really a beginners, then you can just follow how I made it before. So now we go to the next stitch. Place 1 single crochet in the next stitch up after my 2 single crochet in the last stitch, or in the previous stitch. Place 1 single crochet there, and then after that 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, insert your hook in the same, place 1 single crochet again. Go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. So I'm gonna repeat that pattern all the way around. Very easy. 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next. Two single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Some hair here, sorry for that. 2 1 2 1, that's a pattern. Next, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next, and here you should end up with 1 single crochet. We are here in our last stitch, place 1 single crochet there. So you know you are in the right direction because you end up with 1 single crochet in the last stitch, since you have the 2 single crochet in 1 stitch in after that stitch. So it should be alternate. So as you can see, it's flat. So you should have 18 stitches in total for your round 3. And there you go. So we're gonna take out this marker and go to the next stitch. So place 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and then grab that marker and place that in the stitch you just made, in the single crochet you just made. This is the beginning of our round 4. So place 1 single crochet in the same stitch. We are increasing like that, and then 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, like that. Again, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. We are repeating it now. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1, place 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and 2 stitches. Go to the next, place 1 single crochet there, go to the next, place 1 single crochet there, go to the next, repeat it again, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1, and in the same stitch, 2. Place 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, 1, and go to the next 2. Repeat that all the way around. 2 single crochet, and then 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. And then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and go to the next stitch, place 1 single crochet, 2, 1, and 1. There you go. You should end up with 2 single crochet in the last 2 stitches to match the alternate. So let's count the number of stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23, and 24. So you should have 24 stitches in your round 4. So one more round, and I'm gonna give you a hint how to make it increase to get the size you want. So okay, the next stitch, place 2 single crochet, 1, take that marker out and place that in the first single crochet you just made, and in the same stitch insert your hook, make 1 single crochet, go to the next 3 stitches, place 1 single crochet each. So 1, go to the next, 1, go to the next, another 1. So 3 single crochet in 1 stitch, 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and go to the next, place 2 single crochet there. We are always increasing. So 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. So place 1 single crochet each of the next 3 stitches. So 1, go to the next, place 1, go to the next, place 1, 3 single crochet in total. After the increase, go to the next stitch, place 2 single crochet, 1, go to the same stitch, place another single crochet, go to the next 3 stitches, place 1 single crochet each. So 1, go to the next, 2, go to the next, and 3. There you go. Go to the next stitch, place 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Go to the next 3 stitches, place 1 single crochet each, 1, 2, and last one, 3. Go to the next, place 2 single crochet, so 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Make sure you don't lose your stitch here. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, increase, 3 single crochet in the last 3 stitches. So you can see you are in the right path because you are alternating. 2 and last one, 3. And after that, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. This is your work should look like. This is the other side and this is the other side. So we should have 30 stitches in this round that we just work. So to increase more rounds, bigger and bigger, we're gonna start always with 2 single crochet in the beginning where we had our stitch marker. So 2 single crochet all the time to begin the next round. And then as you can see in the round that we just finished, we had here 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and then 3 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then after that, to increase, 2 single crochet, begin with 2 single crochet in 1 stitch or here in the marker, and then 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and repeat that pattern all the way around. And then you go in the next round, you're gonna start with 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then after that go with 5 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, since you have 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches before. And then after that, start again with 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and then 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches, and so on and so forth until you get the right size you want. To end this round, I will go to the next stitch where the marker is, and then yarn over and pull through in that loop in your hook. Chain 1 or yarn over and pull tight. Cut that yarn like that and take that marker out since you're finished with that one, and choose your side. Which one is your side, this one or this one? And I'm gonna take this one here in the front and I will hide this yarn here behind. So I will just insert my hook here close to this yarn here, maybe this one, and gonna grab that yarn over and pull just to hide it like that, and pull. And I'm gonna insert my hook here again, any stitch closer to that stitch, yarn over and pull. And I'm gonna do that in multiple times. I'm gonna do that a few times, just hide it. And then cut the rest. And there you go. And this one you can cut it also here. That is already. And this is for our flat circle. It's very easy to make, and you can make bigger and bigger and bigger.